Ryan Little.
Yoga.
Hey y'all, it's Kania and I'm back again with another video. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe to my channel and I ask that everyone please like, comment, and share this video. This giveaway was hosted by YAYA Creations on Instagram. That's YAYA Creations with a Z. And I want a length retention bundle. So I have 3 products here. I have a Chevet cream, a Chevet butter, and of course a matcha oil. I'll share her website at the bottom of the screen and in the description box below. Along with my products, I also got this little baggie. It's a wooden spoon, which I'm sure you can use to scoop out your product. However, I use my fingers like a caveman. It also came with a cute little keychain and a mint or candy. I'm a rambler, sorry, but without further ado, let's get into the video. I'll be putting the products in my hair today based off of this card here. It has the ingredients and instructions. So I already detangled my hair when I washed it. I just took out a 2-week protective style. It was very, very hard to detangle in the shower, but as you see, we're good now.
Tell me, where does this roller coaster reach its here and stop the coasting? Used to be fine with no destination. Honestly, now I'm dead.
I can saturate my hair without sectioning it. Sections would work better, but I'm lazy. So I'm working little by little just so I don't get too much product in my hair, and then my hair is oversaturated.
Looking up, trying to touch the surface. Am I breaking through? No, it's just the same old. We were here waiting for a moment. Think it's clear that ain't never coming. Yeah, lately I'm silent, I'm seeing a lot of you. Can't figure why I'm not missing a lot of you. Ran with you, dank in the air and a lot of more. Can't see what I saw in you that I did before. Stressing out, how will I tell you what I'm feeling now? Am I being selfish or just being honest now? Messy or reckless, yeah, I do not know, but this I am sure, it ain't gon' be the same no more. I gotta fall back. We getting off track. Ooh, I gotta fall back.
I'm looking down a lot because I have a mirror behind here as well. I usually do my hair in the bathroom mirror, so this is what we have so far.
Happy seem like a lost emotion. Yeah. Gotten used to being so complacent. Seen the weather change, but I'm staying frozen. I can't move till the path is chosen. Bear me up from the depths I fall in. Let me go, we'll both keep living. Don't we fear leaving one another? And of course,
okay, after the first step, before the first step.
shine, but it'll take some time, and you can find what you're looking for. You lay on the star you should be shooting for, yeah. Don't take some risks, you'll get diamonds, and you cannot handle your standards. Yeah, you're the only one he'll talk about, but don't have to change when you talk it out. So how many times will we pick off your pedals? Too late, nothing left, girl, you need someone else. On the inside, girl, you soft, I can tell. And on the outside, girl, you hard like a shell. I know you're tired of them broken hearts, but even roses can be torn apart. Torn apart. Broken roses, I can't focus. Something precious like you should be never open. So take some time to, don't compromise you, cause you're worth it. Don't let them touch your surface. Yeah. Love is such a strong vocabulary, I mean everything that's really imaginary can seem really, you know you sorta deserve better. The best part about trust is just the third letter. Can't nobody do you better than you do you. No Netflix and chills, only self-love and Hulu. That they never cared, so that's really why you broken. Better to live alone, to just live in the moment. Broken roses, I can't focus.
I've done the first step, which was the shea butter. So this was filled all the way to the top. She wasn't stingy at all. How much is left? I barely put a dent in it, honestly. This step I would probably only use after I wash my hair. So every 2 weeks, somewhere between 1 to 3 weeks. Depending on what styles I have, how often I wash it for that month. I see this lasting me at least 2 months. I would give it 2 months of use for my hair. A lot of people use more product than me. I can see it lasting about 2 months, 1 to 2 months. It's a very nice size jar. Like I said, this butter has a very light scent. It smells very clean. I do have some curl definition. I actually have some decent curl definition. I'm blind, y'all. Actually, my curls look really good. Now I'm gonna go with the shea butter.
Precious like you should be never open.
This is definitely a thicker consistency. And the lemongrass is stronger. I like the scent of lemongrass. It smells very good. Just thinning it out into my hands. And then
Layer the chorus? Yeah. Alright. Gave you my heart for one evening. Girl, you changed up like the seasons on me. You broke my heart for no reason. That shit's fucked up. That shit's fucked up. Yeah. Gave you my heart for one evening. Girl, you changed up like the seasons on me. You broke my heart for no reason. That shit's fucked up. That shit's fucked up. I didn't know I could love you. Yeah. But when I saw you, couldn't put nobody above you. Yeah.
alright, so now we have after step 2 and before step 2.
Yeah. I didn't think you would turn on me, but you did. Yeah, you did. And you ain't got no remorse. Ain't got no remorse. I hit her rap and she hit me right back with that da like it's Morse. She said that we should let life run its course. I said of course. And now I'm all alone. Oh yeah. Gave you my heart in one evening. Girl, you changed changed up like the seasons on me. You broke my heart for no reason. That shit's fucked up. That shit's fucked up. Oh, gave you my heart for one evening. Girl, you changed up like the seasons on me. You broke my heart for no reason. That shit's fucked up. That shit's fucked up. I had thoughts about you day and night, day and night. I had thoughts about you, playing you right. This was a love game. You didn't love back. I didn't love that. You left me broken. You left me lonely. You left me lonely. You left me hurting. I ain't deserve it. I ain't deserve this. You didn't care.
Alright, now we're at the last step. I'll be adding the Shebe infused oil. It's not a sticky oil. It doesn't feel really thick like Jamaican black castor oil. So this is something I think I could use on a daily, weekly basis.
I put you first, girl, you the worst. Girl, you the worst. You left me laying right here in a hearse. Oh, why you gotta do me like that? Like that.
This is my after product. All of this hair here is only her products. Of course, I slicked my hair with edge control, but it's not important right now. I just like, if Yaya watches this video, thank you so much. I'm so glad I got to use these products, and I really like how my hair turned out.